Oh, fine. Oh, man. Okay, I'm getting really sick of this phone doing that. Crashes too much.
10 or 15 x-rays.
All right. Did you learn your lesson?
And got hemorrhaging in this eye.
You have hemorrhaging in your eye because you were eating a hot dog when you should have been moving.
I reached out to the Danville police chief, who sent my request to the town of Danville's public information officer.
God, how many people are involved with this incident? Guy's eating a hot dog in the parking lot. Now half the town's involved.
She confirmed officers were called to this incident and said no arrests were made.
Good. They should have a parade for this guy. Don't arrest him.
The email said the case is currently under investigation and will be sent to the district attorney's office for review once the investigation is complete. However, a friend of Blackburn's also reached out to the town and got different information. He says an emailed response from the mayor's office indicates...
Now the mayor's involved. The mayor of the town's now involved because this guy's eating a hot dog in the parking lot.
He says...
Yeah, because he can't stop with those hot dogs.
He says an emailed response from the mayor's office indicates an arrest was made and charges were filed. Blackburn wants his attacker prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law.
Oh, please, God.
And wants to feel safe running errands in his own community.
Okay, then don't eat the hot dog in the parking lot. You want to be safe? Get in your car and get out.
Well, I think people need to speak up and get the prosecutor.
That's what he was doing. He was speaking up to get you the hell out of the parking lot.
He does. He's going to do this again.
He's going to do it again.
He's going to keep eating the hot dog.
Yep, he's going to do it again and again and again and again. And I'm warning you people, if you want to get your ass kicked in the Costco parking lot, do that.
Do that.
Do that. And you'll find 4 or 5 guys beating the hell out of you. And everybody else around applauding those guys. Get out of the parking lot. My Power Hour is next. That's always fun. On KFI AM 640.
More stimulating talk. No login required. KFI.
And KOST HD2.
Los Angeles, Orange County.
Live everywhere on the iHeartRadio app.
An appropriate day to do that. I'm Michael Crozier, live from the KFI 24-hour newsroom. Officials have announced criminal charges targeting fentanyl trafficking on National Fentanyl Awareness Day.
Officials say fentanyl poisoning is now the #1 cause of death for adults in the country 50 years or younger. U.S. Attorney in California, Martina Estrada, says one pill can kill.
And in Los Angeles County alone, in 2021, we had over 1,600 people die as a result of fentanyl poisoning.
Estrada says his office has filed 62 cases against defendants who caused the death or serious bodily injury of at least one other person after selling them the drug. He says law enforcement needs to make consequences known to stop others from selling fentanyl. In downtown LA, Chris Adler, KFI News.
This report brought to you by WDC Kitchen and Bath Center. California is going to pay $24 million to the family of a man who died in police custody after screaming, "I can't breathe." He died while being restrained by several CHP officers at a patrol station in Altadena in 2020. 7 officers and a nurse were charged with involuntary manslaughter earlier this year in connection with the death. The attorney for the man's family says it's the second largest civil rights settlement ever in the U.S. Hospitals are prepping for the crush of migrants expected across the California-Mexico border this week. The Health Order Title 42 expires on Thursday, and border officials say they're projecting tens of thousands to attempt entry every week.
We have had fractures, we have had tears and other things that we have seen. And usually when that happens, Border Patrol tries to do their best.
Pino Pacanor is with the Catholic Charities in San Diego told the ABC 10 the major hospitals in the region will rotate responsibilities for migrant care during the expected surge. President Biden says he hopes the riders striking across the country get a fair deal as soon as possible. He said during a movie screening at the White House last night, such nights are a reminder of stories and the importance of treating storytellers with the dignity, respect, and the value they deserve. A jury in New York's rejected writer E. Jean Carroll's claim that former President Trump raped her, but has found him liable for sexually abusing her in a luxury department store in 1996. The jury also found Trump liable for defaming Carroll after the attack.
The jury awarded $2 million in compensatory damages for the battery, another $20,000 in punitive damages for the battery.
Eric Katersky says the jury awarded Carroll $1 million for defamation, another $1.7 million for reputational repair, Among other damages, the jury awarded her a total of about $5 million. Trump did not attend the civil trial and has denied he ever met Carol. A new report shows there were 30 times more pediatric fentanyl deaths in 2021 compared to 2013. A report from the Journal of American Medicine Pediatric Edition shows more than 1,500 children died from fentanyl during that time span. Over the last year and a half, 40 babies, nearly 100 kids between 1 and 4 have died from a fentanyl overdose. Some kids have survived. They include a child who was crawling on the floor, picked up a pill and put it in their mouth, and a toddler who brushed up against the fentanyl patch their grandparent was using. Pain. Goldman Sachs is going to pay $215 million to settle a years-long class action lawsuit that claimed the bank discriminated against women.
The lawsuit, brought by 2,800 female former associates and vice presidents, accused Goldman Sachs of systematically paying women less than men and giving women performance reviews that damaged or slowed down their careers.
Stephanie Ramos says in addition to the payout, the settlement also requires Goldman Sachs to hire outside experts to evaluate the company's performance reviews and gender pay gaps. The lawsuit was filed in 2010 and was set to go to trial next month. And actor Robert De Niro has welcomed his 7th child at 79 years old. De Niro made the announcement during an interview with ET Canada to promote his upcoming movie about my father. De Niro's oldest child is 51 from his first marriage. Other late-in-life famous dads include 92-year-old Clint Eastwood. He didn't have a kid at 92. He's just 92 now. 79-year-old Mick Jagger, 74-year-old Billy Joel, 65-year-old Alec Baldwin. Slight chance of showers through the night, lows around 50 degrees. Including to mostly sunny skies tomorrow with temperatures much like today. Around 60 at the beaches, close to 70, Metro LA, Orange County, mid-70s, Inland Empire in the valleys, mid-60s in the high desert. A little warmer Thursday and at least another 10 degrees hotter by the time we get to the weekend. Right now in Buena Park, 66, Montclair, 65, Cerritos, 67, Long Beach is 66 degrees. The KFI Financial Report sponsored by Jacoby & Myers Injury Attorneys. The Dow finished down 57, NASDAQ was down 77, and S&P was down 19.
Don't wait. Maximize your compensation after an accident. Call Jacoby & Myers now. Justice for you since 1972.
Get to a crash and Encino.
This is on the southbound side of the 101. Coming up on the 405, everyone's been cleared to the right shoulder, but delays are backing up away from Balboa Boulevard. It's out to Anaheim with Mike O'Brien, KFI in the Sky.
Southbound side of the 57 at Ball Road. It looks like an earlier accident did clear there. That and an Angels Astros coming up in just a little over a half hour. So a little extra slow around the ballpark there. South 57 loading up, just leaving Imperial Highway. North 57, a little tight squeeze around the 91, but most of that slowing on the northbound side is going to hit you from Imperial Highway up to the merge with the 60 and 2 Diamond Bar. Still a tough one in Santa Ana Canyon. 91 eastbound on the brakes there from Weird Canyon over the Green River. Mike O'Brien, KFI in the Sky.
La Crescenta, the 210 westbound at La Crescenta Avenue is where the 3 right lanes remain blocked off. The Ocean View on-ramp also off limits due to a crash and an investigation. Big delays are backing up away from Arroyo Boulevard. The northbound side of the 2 slammed off the 134. KFI in the Sky helps get you there faster. I'm Angel Martinez.
Binge listen this and all your artist stations, plus any song from our library of millions of songs, all ad-free. Get your free 30-day trial of iHeartRadio All Access. You'll love it. Don't be basic, be extra. Start your free 30-day trial of iHeartRadio All Access now.
This Mother's Day, give Mom an experience as unique as a mother's love. A Burke Williams Spa Day. Make it a day all about Mom. Hang up her Do Not Disturb sign. Schedule her out of office and tell everyone it's Mom's day off. Start shopping today for limited time savings on all Mother's Day gift card packages. Visit BurkeWilliams.com.